everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So if your LG phone is showing the error message, unfortunately call management has stopped, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some easy and working solutions to fix this problem quickly. So let's start. So firstly, open the settings app, scroll down and click on the apps option. Now click on see all apps. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three dots and click on show system apps. From here, search for call management or phone. Now click on it. Click on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Now go back to the previous page and click on force stop and click on OK. Now go back to the previous page. Now search for phone and messages. Phone and messaging storage. Now tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Now go back to the previous page and click on force stop, click on OK and restart your mobile phone once. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.